How to delete your EA account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. So in today's video I will simply guide you on how you can delete your EA account, right? So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now whether you want to delete all of your EA account, because under EA account comes FIFA, comes other games as well, but if you only want to delete your FIFA account versus if you want to delete your whole EA origin account, you can do that. So first of all, you simply have to come to this address bar and then type in help.ea.com. just go to help.ea.com. I'll make sure to drop a link below and then you'll land on this page. Over here you first want to make sure that you're actually signed into your EA account, right? Now once you come to this web address bar, here you'll find the option called contact us. Just click on the contact us button, and as you click on the contact EA button over here, you'll see all these sorts of information depending upon which account you want to delete or whether you want to delete the whole EA account. I'll just select EA account itself and then select the topic. Here you have to select manage my account. Under manage my account, again it says select issue. Under select issue, select delete account button over here. Now once you select delete account and manage my account, just click on select contact option. As you select your contact option, make sure to just create a ticket. So first of all, simply enter your first name over here, and then once you enter your first name, just go ahead and then also make sure to enter your last name, and then after that make sure to enter your email address, then the subject, which is of course called delete account, right? So once you type in delete account, you can also go ahead and simply describe your issue in this case. So just go ahead and select I want to delete my EA account. So once you type in I want to delete my EA account in this case, if you want you can attach files, but for now just click on the email us button over here. Now you'll be successfully be able to create a case, and then EA is actually going to get back to you and then delete your account. And this is how you can delete your EA account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.